Hey guys, it's Melissa Martini on behalf of fontbundles.net. Today we're going to be talking about how to download fonts on your iPad. First, you'll want to download Fontier in the App Store and go ahead and open Fontier app. What I like to do is name my font collection before actually downloading, and I like to name it the same as the bundle that I am downloading. The one we're working with today is called the Script Font Bundle, so you can see I'm just typing that into the collection name. Now we're going to go over to fontbundles.net and go at the top of the screen, click your name and click Purchases, and just scroll down to find the bundle that you're wanting to install. We're going to look for the Script Font Bundle. Go ahead and download the files and choose the type. I always download OTF. Just wait for the download to complete, and then it will give you this screen. Choose Open in Fontier. For some reason you don't see Open in Fontier, select More and locate it there. Okay, now that we have Fontier opening, we're going to find the collection we made earlier, which is the Script Font Bundle. Go ahead and select that, and what it will do is load all of those fonts into that collection. Once they're there, go through and select each and every font, and then go to the bottom of the screen and choose Install Fonts. You'll go ahead and follow the prompts to allow and install the fonts. And then that's it. They're there. It's time to go ahead and play with your newly installed fonts. Now we're going to use Cricut to demonstrate this today. I'll just open up a new project. You'll go over to the middle button which says System Fonts and search for a font that you just installed. And go ahead and type out a word and you will see that your font is now available for you to design with in your Cricut software on your iPad. I hope this explained perfectly how to install fonts on your iPad. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe before leaving so you are notified of future tutorials. Have a great day.